Hi, and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, Haul Kinda Girl. I have Birchbox, so I'm going to get right in. If you guys do not know what Birchbox is, it is a monthly subscription where you pay $10 to get 5 to 6 beauty samples. The first item that they send me is this Beauty Benefits, and this is Bang Bad Girl. Now it says Bigger, Badder Volumizing Mascara. Now this is 3.0 grams, which is zero point 0.1 ounces. Again, guys, it is going to be a very small package, but it's just for you to try out to see if you like, and then you can buy the product, online. So, let's see. It says 36 hours. They did a study, and they said that they were I'm so sorry about the glare. They are 90% bigger. I'm sorry. Okay, so it says 90% saw dramatic volume within 21 women tested it. So that is so cool. And there's actually like a little picture on there, and it's really hard to see. I'm so sorry. Okay, so there's a before and then after. Wow, that is a really big difference. So again, I've gotten this product before, and I absolutely love it. Now, the next item is this Amika. This is soul food, and this is a nourishing mask. There is 0.68 ounces, fluid ounces, which again, guys, it's not the biggest sample, but, I love getting these little samples because you're not wasting product if you don't like it, or if you do like it, you can get more. So this is a really great product. I love anything from the Amika brand. I've gotten stuff from them before, and I absolutely love it. Okay, guys, so this next item, I absolutely, positively love anything with Smashbox. When they send me anything with Smashbox, I get so excited. So we have the Smashbox, and this is the Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Now, it does say it's oil-free, and there is 0.25 fluid ounces. It's really hard to see the numbers in the camera. So it does say that it is made in the USA, which is awesome, and it comes from Culver City, California. And this is the Smashbox Cosmetics. So I absolutely love putting primer on, and Smashbox is one of my favorite. So the next item that they sent me is this Comfort Zone Active Pureness Fluid. Now this is mattifying hydrating fluid. You do get 0.27 fluid ounces. So what it does say about it is mattifying hydrating fluid. Light hydrating fluid with vitamin C. Ideal in the presence of an enlarged pores or excessive sebum. The skin looks hydrated and matte for a long time. Recommended for oily or impure skins. Directions: apply in the morning and the evening on the face and neck until completely absorbed. Cool. So I'm so excited about this product, you guys. I've received amazing products from them this month. Now, I did receive my box late, so this is March's beauty box for Birchbox for March of 2019. Now, every single month I'm going to be putting these videos out. If you guys are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps my, video circulate through the internet when you guys give me that like. And just know, guys, I am not perfect, but every single day I'm trying to become a better person. And remember, you guys cannot take care of anybody until you take care of yourself. And please leave me a comment below if you guys received your boxes last month late, because for some reason I've received mine late and I didn't get a chance to make the videos, but I did want to show you guys what I did receive. Remember, it's only $10 a month and you receive amazing products. I love you guys, and just know that no matter what you do in life, try your hardest, because that's all that matters. Thank you, guys.